Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about an amazing tool called WinX Video AI. The download link is available in the video description. Just click the link, download the software, and install it on your computer. After installation, open the software and you will see a dashboard like this. Here you can see WinX Video AI. It comes with many powerful options such as Image AI, Video AI, and Audio AI. Below that, you will also find Video Converter, Compressor, Recorder, and many more useful tools. First, I will try the Image AI feature. This feature helps you enhance low-resolution images and videos into Full HD and even 4K quality. The process is very simple. On the right side, you will see different settings. First, choose the processor. You can select CPU or GPU. I will select NVIDIA GPU for faster results. Next, choose the AI model. Here we have multiple models like Gen Detail V3, Real Smooth, Anime, and more. After that, select the scale option like 2x, 3x, or 4x resolution. If you want, you can also turn on face restoration to improve face details. Now, upload your blurry image. The software will automatically analyze it and start processing. Here you can see the preview. On the left side, we have the original low-quality image, and on the right side, we have the enhanced 4K quality image. Once you are satisfied, simply click the Run button. Your image will be converted into high-quality HD or 4K. Now, let's try another image. This time, I will select the Gen Detail V3 model, set the scale to 4x, and turn on face restoration again. As you can see, the processing starts and the preview shows a clear before and after comparison. Look at the result. The blurry image is now converted into a sharp and clear 4K quality image. This tool is perfect if you want to improve old photos, low-quality images, or videos. Now, let's move on to the Video AI feature. With this feature, you can upscale your low-resolution videos into high quality, even up to 4K. First, I will select the settings. I will choose the AI model, and this time, I will select Gen Detail V3. Next, I will select the scale option and turn on high-quality mode. After that, I will choose the output resolution as 4K. If I want, I can also enable frame interpolation to make the video smoother. Once all the settings are ready, I will upload my low-resolution video. The software will start analyzing and enhancing the video automatically. After the enhancement process is complete, you can see the preview here. Now, I will click on the Run button and it will start enhancing the video. As you can see, you can very easily convert low-quality videos into full 4K quality using WinX Video AI. Now, let's try another video. This time, I will upload a different low-resolution video. As soon as I upload it, the processing starts. Here, you can see the result. The software has converted my low-resolution video into clear Full HD quality. You can also check the before and after preview to see the difference. Next, we have the Audio AI feature. If I click on Audio AI, you can upload your audio file here. From here, you can remove vocals from the audio. You can choose options like keep vocals or keep instruments. We also have noise suppression settings, which help you clean background noise from audio. This feature is very simple, fast, and extremely helpful. The download link is available in the video description, so make sure to try it out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.